What is a gaming database? Simply put, a gaming database is a server that collects, organizes, and distributes data concerning a specific game and the players playing said game. There are two sides to every transaction concerning the database, those being the host and client sides of the transaction. The host is the one responsible for all the data, the one that handles the calculations and information necessary for things to operate correctly. The client, on the other hand, is the one sending in and receiving the data back from the host in order to perform some task. In the early days of online multiplayer gaming, one of the players in the game would take on the role of host for everyone, including themselves. The host device would have to keep track of the positions, loadouts, velocities, and trajectories of all the players, where they are currently aimed, what actions they were performing at that moment. It would have to render and present all necessary game information to the host screen as well. This would often cause issues with severe lag and rubber banding. Rubber banding is being launched all over the place because the game can't keep track of your position, which are both big issues in terms of fun, especially in competitive games. As time has gone on, more and more companies are starting to get dedicated servers for their games. Dedicated servers are simply massive computers that do nothing but handle the host end of transactions. It allows for the information to be collected and processed effectively without burdening the clients in the slightest. In terms of online gaming, this makes it significantly easier for companies to give their players fun experiences while keeping all players in a game in sync so as to prevent the problems of lag and rubber banding, as well as many others, from dampening the overall user experience. The dedicated servers are only responsible for keeping track of player information and nothing else. Some companies will go so far as to have special operating systems to ensure maximum performance. The databases do nothing in terms of rendering, reading player input, detecting collisions, or anything else. All it does is process the information, such as player positions, the direction they are facing, how fast they are moving, etc., that the client needs to know about the other clients, and transmits it to all the devices of all the players playing the game.